Welcome back, and another very important trick to clean our data is to spell check, is to check the spelling in our entire data. Now if you're working in other programs like Word or PowerPoint, any wrong spellings are instantly highlighted, but there is nothing like that in Excel. So what you have to do rather is that once you have completed your work, or in between the work you want to check the spellings, what you will do is that you will simply press F7 on your keyboard and it will open the dialog box for you where you can check all the spelling. I will go back to it, but before that I will just show you the other navigation as well, and that is you can go to this review button here, and in this review button you can press the spelling and it will open the same dialog box for you. Now you can see that Excel has highlighted this mistake for you, that you have written toothpaste in your sheet. It should rather be toothpaste or toothpaste separately, or toothpaste. So I will say it is the first one. Now you can change, you can ignore it. You can say that please let it go, it is my brand name the way we write it, or something like that. Otherwise, if you need to change, you can press change here. If you will just change here, it will only change one value, and it will keep moving forward. So a better trick is that just press this change all and Excel will change it completely from your sheet. So you can see that it is instantly highlighting the next one. When you press OK, it moves to the next one, and this way you can keep moving and correct all the spellings that you want to do. And if you just want to check the spellings on one particular cell, for example this one, you will just press the you will just select the column by pressing here on the column name, or just press the control space and it will select the complete column for you. And now click on this spelling and Excel will come up with the spelling from this particular column only. So first of all, Excel has highlighted that you have written it as product underscore brand. It should be product brand. So I will say please ignore it, that is the way we write it. So I will just press ignore once or ignore all. Since it is only one time, it is only the heading, I can press ignore once. And now Excel has highlighted that you have written it as pigtail, one word. It should rather be pigtail, the T should be small, or it should be like this. I would say it is this one. And I don't want to change one by one. I will click on change all, and Excel will change automatically in the entire sheet. So you can see that Excel has, if I can just go back and show you that where you have done it, control F and pig. Ignore what I have done. I will teach you in the next section how we find that in the next lecture, in fact. So the pigtail, you can see that all the pigtails have been changed. So what you will do, you will download the Excel sheet now in the resources for this lecture, and you will press you will go to review and press on spelling and change some of the spellings in your sheet. Don't do all of them, because this sheet is just too huge and there are so many mistakes. In fact, these are not mistakes, these are the brand names, we write them this way, but you can practice some of them. So please download the resource file and do it now. Thank you.